Hi students, today we are going to see about the attacks on computer and cryptography, about introduction of computer security. Let us see what is information security before entering into the computer security. So information security is the practice of protecting the information from risk, which means it involves the protecting of information system, the information processed, stored and transmitted by these systems from an unauthorized access, to protect the data from the unauthorized access. So this includes protecting the personal information, financial information, also any sensitive and confidential information stored in both digital and physical form. So let us see about this topic briefly. So first one is your computer. Computer security is basically a protection of computer and information from harm and theft or unauthorized users. So it is a process of preventing and detecting an unauthorized of your computer systems. So this computer security mainly focus on three factors, that is mainly of security attacks, and next one is security services and security mechanism. Okay, so these are the basic facts, okay, of your computer security. 95% of computer security breaches are due to the human error, and there is a hacker attack every 39 seconds, and share prices fall 7.27% on every average after a breach, and approximately 6 trillion is expected to spend globally on cybersecurity by the year of 2021, and it has been raised to 8 trillions in the year of 2023. So unfilled cybersecurity jobs worldwide is all over around 4 to 5 million. So let us see about the security threat and the security attack. Threat is possible danger that might exploit and vulnerability, and the action that causes it to occur are security attacks. So the security attack may be a passive attack or an active attack. So the main aim of the passive attack is to get the information from the system, and also it does not affect the system resources, which means it does not, the passive attack does not attach the system resources, but it is difficult to detect but can be prevented. So next one is your active attack tries to alter system resources or affect its operation. So active attack may modify the data and create the false data. So it is difficult to prevent. So next is security attacks on the user, computer hardware and computer software. So the attacks are used, could be identified by the user to privacy of the user, or identity attack result in someone else attacking your behalf of personal information like password, pin number in ATM or credit card, and some social security numbers. So the attackers on the privacy of the user involved in tracking the user habits and actions in the website user visit. So the buying of habit of the user. So the hackers hack the pin numbers or ATM card numbers through the website easily. So next is that attack on the computer hardware could be a natural calamity like floods, earthquakes, or some any power related distribution problems. Okay, so this is the second attack. Next one is a software attacks harms the data stored in the computer. So the software attack may be due to the some virus software or due to hacking. So this code enter into the system, and its main purpose is to harm the systems. So let us see about in detail. So so the malware is any software intentionally designed to cause the damage to the computer, that is server or net or computer network. So it is typically in the form of a link. So whenever we touch that link or a file we download, that a particular malware will affect our system. So this malware has actually been a threat to the individuals and also organization. So the wide variety of malware types are computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, JavaScripts and Java applets, and spyware. These are the basic of malwares. Next is your virus. Virus is something that a computer virus is a computer program that, when executed, it replicates itself by modifying other computer programs, and it can attach itself to other healthy programs. And also it is difficult to trace a virus after it too has spread across the network. So next one is that virus can spread to the email, text messages, and internet file downloaders and social media scam links. So it is important to protect our system from these viruses. Next is Trojan horse. These are the sample malware functions, malware viruses. Okay, the Trojan horse is something a type of malware that is used for a legitimate software. The term Trojan defines from a Greek story where Trojan horse will lead to fall of a city of Troy. So the Trojan was executed by its victim to do its work. So Trojan horses contain programs that corrupted the data or damage the files and also corrupt the software application. So the Trojan horse does not replicate themselves like a virus. So if your computer is breached by Trojan malware, then the computer will start frequent crashing or it increases pop-ups in online. Next is your JavaScripts, Java applets, and ActiveX controllers. So here the JavaScript is something a dynamic computer program language, and it is mostly widely used as a part of web pages. Okay, so this is also used. This is also will harm your systems. Next one is your Java is widely used in Netspace and Internet Explorer, and it also allows the website to run away from the codes when the user visit their website. So next is Java applets. So the applets or ActiveX controllers are used with Microsoft technology, and it is generally provided the added functionalities such as sound and animation which are inserted in the web page. So anyone who uses the internet will eventually access the website through the that contain mobile code. So for example, in these programs are designed with a designed mainly to cause damage to the systems or machines. So the Java designs and security measures are better designed to safer than ActiveX. Next is your hacking. So hope you all know about hacking very well. Hacking is an activity to identify the weakness in the computer system of a network to exploit the security access to the personal data. So nowadays hacking become a multi-billion dollar industries with extremely sophisticated and successful techniques. And there are various hackers including our privacy by packet sniffing, email hacking, and password cracking. Next is your packet sniffing. Packet sniffing is something that the act of capturing data packet across the computer network. So it is mostly used by the crackers or hackers to collect the information illegally about the network and can be used by an ISP. So it is almost attack normally go undetected. Okay. So these are the common sniffers where your telnet, FTP, and SMTP are some services that are commonly sniffed. So next is your password cracking. Password cracking you used to see in many films. So it's a process of guessing the correct password to account in an unauthorized way. So the password cracking can be done by several reasons, but the most important reason is in order to get an unauthorized access to a computer without the computer owners. So the password cracker is an application that tries to obtain a password. So next is your ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is something that unauthorized access to a manipulation of an account or email correspondence. So here once they access your account, they can read all your correspondence and have access to all your contacts and send emails from your own account. Okay. So these are the security services. So the security services provides a specific kind of protection to your systems, which the security services ensures confidentiality, integrity, and authentication, and non-reputation, access control, and availability. So let us see about this in detail in next class, and these are the various security attacks and what are the ways to be prevented. We have learned. So if you have any clarification related to this topic, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.